Thank you for being here for watching my presentation for this course. My name is Jing Hu. Today, I will present research on optimizing feedback timing in robot-mediated learning environments. Today, I will share how immediate feedback significantly outperforms delayed feedback in both learning outcomes and motivation. Feedback is crucial for learning, but its optimal timing, especially with educational robots, remains unclear. While social robots boost engagement, we lack evidence-based feedback design principles. Most studies haven't isolated feedback timing as a key variable. We ask, does immediate or delayed feedback work better for learning and motivation when the robot is a tutor? We designed a clean within subjects experiment. 28 participants completed two blocks of logic puzzles with a web-based robot tutor. Each block used a different feedback style. One of them is immediate feedback. The robot will show correct or incorrect and explanation after each puzzle. The other one is delayed feedback. The robot will show summary of all answers only at the end. The order was counterbalanced. After each block, participants took a post-test with new puzzles and completed a motivation survey. So this shows how each participant experienced both conditions in balanced order. The findings were clear and strong. Immediate feedback led to 90% accuracy on post-tests versus 76 with delayed feedback, a statistically significant difference with large effect size. About the motivation, interest or enrollment scores were 6.32 versus 5.43 on the 7-point scale, and perceived competence was 5.54 versus 5.0, both significantly higher with immediate feedback. The advantages were consistent and substantial across all measures. Why does this matter? Cognitive science suggests immediate feedback reduces working memory load. Learners don't have to hold multiple problem states. Motivationally, real-time corrections create a responsive dialogue that builds confidence and flow. For designers, if you are building educational robots for short-term engagement and skill acquisition, prioritize immediate feedback. It creates a more supportive, effective learning conversation. Of course, there are some limitations in the current work. First, our participants were all IT professionals. In the future work should test with children or students. We also only measured short-term effects, and long-term retention needs to investigate. In summary, immediate feedback from robot tutors boosts both learning performance and motivation significantly. This provides evidence-based guidance for designing more effective educational technologies. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.